A site inspection can either make you look professional or expose every weak point on your site. One clipboard, one checklist, one surprise visit, and suddenly everything matters. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to prepare for a site inspection so you never get caught off guard. Welcome to the Security Guide, where we give security officers real strategy to grow, improve, and stay professional in this industry. If you want your inspections to become opportunities instead of stress, this episode is for you. Know your site-specific instructions before anything else. You must know your site-specific inside out, duties and responsibilities, emergency procedures, contact numbers, patrol schedules. If an inspector asks and you hesitate, that's already a red flag. Tip 2. Uniform and personal presentation. First impressions count. Clean uniform, name badge visible, polished boots, neat grooming. You represent the entire company at the moment. A sloppy appearance suggests sloppy work. Tip 3. Documentation ready. Most inspections focus on paperwork. Make sure you keep your occurrence book updated, incident reports completed, visitor logs accurate, patrol registers signed. No missing entries, no blank spaces, and no guesswork. Hey guys, stay till the end because the number 1 tip is coming up. Tip 4. Check equipment regularly. Inspectors often check tools before people. Ensure radios are charged and working. Torches functions properly. Panic buttons are operational. Access control systems are active. CCTV monitors have been cleaned. Broken equipment shows poor site management. Tip 5. Site cleanliness and organization. Your guardroom and your post area should be clean, organized, free of clutter, no personal distractions. A tidy environment signals discipline and professionalism. Tip 6. Professional communication. When speaking to inspectors, be respectful, answer clearly, don't argue, don't guess. Say, I will confirm if unsure. Confidence without arrogance is key. Bonus tip. Think like an inspector. Ask yourself daily, if someone inspected the site right now, what would they question? Fix small issues before they become official findings. A site inspection isn't there to punish you. It's there to measure standards. When you're prepared, you don't fear inspections. You own them. If this helped you, share it with a fellow guard or supervisor. Professional sites build professional careers. You've been watching the Security Guide. Stay sharp, stay prepared, and take pride in your next post.